Hello traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix MT4 not enough rights error. Now, the not enough rights error in MT4 usually appears when a trader tries to perform an action that is restricted by the broker or the account type. So this may occur when placing orders or modifying orders or attempting certain operations within the platform, okay? The first step is to check your account permissions. Some trading accounts have specific restrictions depending on the broker's policies, right? For example, demo accounts may have certain limitations, and then investor password logins may not allow trading actions. So make sure you are logged in using the main trading password instead of an investor password. Okay? Now, the second step is to verify your market hours, right? Let's go to our market watch. Now, you will notice that certain instruments may only be available during specific trading sessions. If the market is closed, right? If the market is closed, the platform may reject trade actions. Right? If the market is closed, the platform may reject trade actions. So you have to check whether the market for that instrument is currently open. Okay? All right. Now, the third step is to check your broker restrictions. Some brokers may apply restrictions based on minimum trade size, order modification rules, or trading permissions for certain instruments. All right. So reviewing the broker's trading specifications may help clarify these limitations. Okay. The fourth step is to reconnect to the server. Connection issues can sometimes trigger platform error. So just try reconnecting to your trading account. You go to file, you go to login to trade account, all right, and then just re-enter your login details, login and password. Remember to use your main trading password, okay? This can refresh the connection with the trading server. Now, a quick recap for you. To fix the not enough rights error in MT4, ensure that you are using the main trading password, check your market trading hours, review broker trading restrictions, and reconnect to the trading server. These checks can help resolve permission-related errors. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.